Hi, my name is Montana, and today we'll be unboxing the HPE Aruba Networking AP-765.
The AP-765 is a tree radio access point and has software provisional omnidirectional and directional antenna modes. This Wi-Fi 7 capable ruggedized access point is designed for operation in outdoor environments. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have your startup guide, installation, configuration and safety guide, and warranty information. We will look at the access point a bit later. The unit also ships with a USB-A to USB-C console cable, waterproof gland for your network cable installation, and a grounding lug connector. There's nothing else in the box. Let's have a closer look at the AP itself. The AP-765 supports temperature operation range between -40 and +55 degrees Celsius, and it comes in an IP67 rated weatherproof enclosure ready for outdoor installation. When in the omnidirectional operating mode, the AP-765 will provide 360-degree coverage, but it must be installed facing down as the antenna is configured with a down tilt. This means that most of the energy will emanate from the front of the AP. In the directional antenna operating mode, this AP will provide a 90 by 90 degree beam width, which means you should point the AP facing towards the desired coverage area. On the front, you will find a logo and a removable sticker with the AP serial number and MAC addresses. On one of the longer sides, there are 3 non-removable stickers with serial and MAC addresses, part number, and some additional information. On one of the shorter sides and behind a removable transparent cover, you will find USB-C console port, reset button, and LED light. You will need to use a size 8 Allen key in order to open the cover if you need to access these. Let's open all the waterproof seals and see what's behind them. Here is a USB-C port, and here you will find a multi-rate RJ45 Ethernet port supporting speeds of 1, 2.5 and 5 gigabits per second. Please note that the only way to power up this access point is through this port, either using a PoE switch or a power injector. This AP is a Class 4 PoE device and will run fully on standard PoE Plus power source. When installing the cable, you should thread it through the waterproof gland before connecting like so. You may need a licensed electrician or cabler in order to terminate the cable prior to the installation. And here is a grounding point. Use the supplied grounding lug to earth the device properly after installation. On the back is a large passive heat sink, as well as the bottom part of the mounting kit assembly. Note that you can rotate or move this mounting assembly between the 2 locations to suit your installation needs. You will need a screwdriver with a tamper-resistant Torx head. This AP uses the same mounting bracket options as the Aruba 500 and 600 series outdoor APs. These are separately orderable parts. Check out our HPE Aruba Networking outdoor mounting brackets video for more details on how you can install this access point. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library via our website link in the description below. If you find the video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.